So welcome to all. Now I am going to take the training for shapes layers. So what is mean by a shape layer? Shape layer is a vector shapes. Vector shape, what is an advantage of vector and raster? Raster is based on pixels and vector is based on mathematical calculation. So if you enlarge or reduce anything, nothing would call, there is no quality loss in printing or displaying in the verb. So we are going to teach you how to create a shape layer, modify the shape layer, how to create a custom shape layer, or how to create the shapes on grades from the shape layers, and clipping mask. We are going to teach lot many things on this. You will love what is a shape layer, and again I am also create some buttons and what is industrial use, and I am also going to create some of the prototypes of the website and how to convert the shapes to designs. So we are also giving some layouting using shaping. After layouting, how can you convert that layout to design? So we are teaching everything. After this lesson, you will love the shape layout. Thank you for watching. Please watch the demo and practice the training sessions. Thank you for all.